Hi, this is Tariq here from stockauctionexpert.com. You can visit on our site and so much useful information on our Twitter stream. One of the big payer of the week was Facebook. We have been following this one for days. This is why they started to accumulate calls volume here, right at this candle here. Although right at this bar here, the volume started to come right at this gray trend line here. The smart money started to accumulate here. You see this being there and this bounces. We had on our site, I had quite a few posts. Those of you follow me on Twitter and stuff, you have seen all this long time ago. Look at this one. This is our site here. I just want to zoom in here. I just wanted to share like when did we see all these calls coming in for those of you who trade options. Things a bit slow here. Everything. I have so many things opened. Look at this one. This was the biggest one that we had on August 2016. Remember this post? This is where this the August 3rd. This is where around when the price was 118.23, we had entry alert here for our folks, and today what AAPL is at 133, almost like 23, almost $10 move from here. This is where you see this one. We saw 15,000 plus calls traded back then. Huge volume started to accumulate. This is OBB. It shows you that green bar is pretty huge, and after that this kept moving higher and higher and higher since here. And even this morning, this is my public Twitter, not like we come back and then do marketing post. But this was even this morning at 8:36 a.m. today at 7th September 2016. Look at my post. Options open volume showing that big bullish bet was taken by the options trader, almost 13,600. This is for 128 call contract, 129 calls volume was 15,900. This was the port at 9:36. So I want to show you on chart what happened after that this morning. Look at this is today's right at open. This my alert was that as soon as it for our members in room, as soon as it breaks yesterday high, this one goes higher. It did break, heavy volume came in. Look at this, and then nicely it almost moved from here from 130 to 132, almost like 130 to 131.95. This was just given to you. If you are good trader, a few of our members nailed it. One of our top trader in our room joined 2 weeks ago. He made almost like 200% on this one. I had a post on that too. So this is quite amazing. I started to take some profits. Why? It's because of this trend line. As if up, this one has to keep pushing higher through 132 with volume. Otherwise this one can come back and test somewhere here, but for sure the long-term trend is up for Apple. So this is a wedge here. You have to keep a close eye. This is why I took profits here and told our members to take profits. You have to look at everything, otherwise forget it. I mean, if you do not look at options volumes of horizontal separations, then also you have to know where to focus. Otherwise options, a lot of people are keep posting free block alerts and half of them fail every single day. So be careful who you follow. And also I wanted to cover gold. Gold was amazing. It just treated us so well. Here the call flow started to come back in 1st of September last week. It was in our stream. If you guys follow us, I believe it was, I will just go back on my public post just to show that it was, or before the move, before these two green candle here, it was on our stream on 1st of September. Look at 1st of September. Look at 1st of September. What time we posted it? 10:07 a.m. in the morning. We said 13,000 calls were coming in and they were targeting 145. Although it was a bit far in our room, we told our members to target 130, 135. So what happened since then? This is my public post if you have been following. first, and then look at this, what, almost from 125 to 1 3 $3 plus the $3 move here, massive. Now what's happening here? There is a trend line resistance here. You cannot ignore all this. There is a small one. As soon as it breaks this, it will come back and test 130 and then hit resistance at 130, 31, 130, 131. So you have to see what's happening underneath. Also, this is why we combine chart, trend, and options activity, which pays us. This was there was put activity right at open. You can see there is a this candle. It was got sold off here, and then there was resistance developed here. DDD September 15.5 put 6,000 traded right at open. We were short on this one right since open, although the post came in the public post bit later because our premium members are priority as always. I had this post almost like what, 10:52 a.m. So if you look even in the chart, 10:52 a.m. this did well. 10:52, where was it? I believe it was 10:52 was here. So it came in intraday double top resistance and it pulled back here again. And SSYS too, same sector, it pulled back. So as soon as, so what we have to look at for the chart, DDD, it has to break today's low with some volume tomorrow and whatever, otherwise it can bounce. Although SSYS right at 50-day moving average, this can be a bounce zone right here. As we are talking, although I cannot see this 2-minute chart, you can see it's bouncing. Yeah, this is finding 50-day line. You see volume came in last minute almost like 45,000 plus because of the power of 50-day moving average. This is why we focus so much on moving averages, and we nail trades. Also there was volume here, so watch this one here. DDD, we took some good profit. You cannot just hold in this choppy market, keep holding all the short or long. You have to play this market day to day, otherwise you can get toasted because they will Apple big event, they came out with their phone, although nothing wow to me, but again it came around 10-day moving average. All are, you see it bounced from here. I had a public post around, although I made, yeah, here there was a post right before the bounce around 12:58. I had this post, it was at support. This is what it matters. This is what we look at. Support means buyers can come in. This is what although I made a mistake here, this was not at 50-day, this was at, I corrected the mistake, it was at 5 and 10-day moving average, which was this, and nice bounce intraday of the low. So again it got volatile and holding, although we have to see how it goes. Some analysts are skeptical about the move, but again they have big money, so it doesn't matter. Although if weakness continues, it can come back and pull here. A strong resistance at 110 where you would want to short and take some profits. So keep in this line. For now it's holding. Let's see, 50-day trend up, 10-day trend up, but a strong resistance here. So you have to see here the volume bar was but up, but if you look at the volume, the move was not as huge as you would expected. But you see big volume came here on this day and it kept going up here, nicely paid into earnings. So I am watching all these. Also some other volume I have been following today was nice setup. This one is watching for tomorrow, nicely holding 50-day. I saw volume coming in last hour, so it has to break through here, otherwise this will become a resistance 37.65. You have to look all these, otherwise market will never pay you. It will make you fool if you are just randomly see news or people's random posts and stuff. And another one I have been watching, I believe, is Yelp too. Yelp had put activity, so it is down almost 2%. We saw put volume right at open. Also another one has some calls activity. This one can Starbucks, you have to this one has to get above 56.65 here. It has to get above this red candle here, 56.65, and volume, that's when it will go. This is working at resistance, but some call activity, it is holding inverse head and shoulder, so it looks like slightly bullish here, although pullback will be bought unless market pullback. This is slightly bullish in terms of the chart. SPY, it's ranging, not trading this one much. Here is a resistance around 1019. I said it many times, still this is resistance here. choppy, not much going on here, not trading this one much, staying away for the time being. So thank you very much. Please share. And always visit us at stockoptionexpert.com, our Twitter, and you can also subscribe for our video, stockoptionexpert.com YouTube video for the analysis.